Isn't it cute?
Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic 12 gas, look like a leaf blower. Out of town with my bus on, bitch, I'm from Detroit. I got some white boys that really...
What is up, Deezy Nation? It's your girl Deezy, and I'm back with another mother-loving video. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deezy, and if you've been a part of my channel, then you already know what it is. Gang, gang. So this is about to be a quarantine and chill with me. I'm in my kitchen because we're about to do a DIY project. I mean, I ain't got nothing else to do, so like, why not? So the project that I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you guys seen it, but I've seen it on Pinterest like years ago and several times. You get a poster board and you have crayons, and like you melt the crayons on the poster board and it becomes like this beautiful art or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I went to Target, and I bought a poster board. This is like $1 and something. It is 20 by 28. I went to Target and I went to Walmart. I was trying to get some paint and stuff because I wanted to paint, but everything was ran through. So if I choose to paint something, I'm gonna most likely have to like order stuff off of Amazon, but I don't know how good that's gonna go. So yeah, I got my crayon. I got my 64 pack of crayons right here. I got my blow dryer, my silver bird, okay? And we're just gonna go ahead and get started in this video. Like I said, I'm in the kitchen because I have carpet everywhere else and I didn't want to mess up my carpet. I've seen a lot of people put newspaper down and stuff like that, but guess who's not about to do that? Me, because I'm lazy and I don't feel like doing that. And I don't have freaking newspaper, so that step is not in it. This is my other project that I did. This is a 200-piece puzzle that I did, Aladdin. I framed it and everything because this is not going to waste. I didn't waste 5 hours doing this 200 piece puzzle, so I am going to hang it in my room. And that's that. Let's take the time out to acknowledge my hair. It's shorter. I cut it shorter, and I couldn't be happier. Let's get into it. So I saw people doing the crayons like this, gluing the crayons. Gluing them like this and then blow drying and having a dip. But I'm not gonna do that. Let's go. I'm going to undo the paper, which I can't even do that. Maybe I won't. Let's just see if it'll melt. Y'all gotta see it. Okay. So that's the pink crayon. I'm just doing random colors. I got pink. Now we're about to do some blue. Okay, Deezy Nation, I am officially done. I like it. I mean, I like it because I created it. To be honest, like, I mean, shoot. I will just go ahead and show you. Isn't it cute? D for Deezy. Okay, cause what? Cause period. That's cause what? Literally. Okay, so like, let me just show you my hands though. Let me just show you my hands. And let me like show you the work that I put in, okay? Look at my nails. Okay. I'm going to show you my floor. Cause at this point, hopefully, I mean, the crayon's gonna come up, but like, I'm gonna have to scrape it, I think. Cause it's like melted, you know what I mean? I'm gonna just Google how to get crayon out of tiles, kitchen tiles. But let me show you guys again. So what I would have changed about this is that I wish I would have put some thought process into the colors. Like, these were all just random colors, okay? I wasn't going to put like the D there because, I mean, I didn't have a stencil. I just took like regular paper, cut out a D the best way I could, and just taped it on and then just did colors around it. That's how I got the D. But I did the D because it just looked like a kid painted this. But I freaking love it. I mean, well, this concludes the video. I'm going to put it up with my puzzle and along with all the other things that I will be doing for quarantine and things like that. Comment below if you like this video. Comment below if you want to see more. Please make sure you subscribe. Click that like button. And let me know if you ended up doing this project. I mean, it literally took me 2 hours. The only thing that I would change is, like, if you're doing it, make sure you put something down on the floor. So you don't be like me and try to figure out how the heck out you about to get this up, okay? Luckily, I live by myself and I'm not really concerned about it. But if I was at my parents' house, hunty, would have been a problem. Make sure you follow me on my social media, my Instagram and my Snapchat. And your girl Deezy is out. So this is my floor. Oh my gosh. Yep. Yep. It's my socks. Look at it, got all the way over here. Yeah. Yep.
Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Gotta